I want to show you a couple of the coolest, or in some cases, the most necessary accessories that you can get for your Meta glasses. Here I have the Oakley Meta glasses, and here I have the Ray-Bans Meta. They're both the transition lenses, and this is the Gen 2. Before I show you why I got these accessories, let me show you this right here. First off, this is the reason why I started my channel, because I am looking for something specific and I could not find it anywhere. So I decided to buy it, give it a shot, and I'm so glad I did it. And this is how my channel actually started. I was looking for something specific for my truck, could not find a video, took a chance at it, bought it, posted it on YouTube, and it helped out thousands of people. Well, I don't know if it helped out thousands of people, but thousands of people watched. This is my regular glasses that I wear when I'm riding my e-bike. My e-bike is a very high powered, I won't say very high powered, but it can do 55 miles per hour easy. So you figured. And this is the glasses that I wear when I'm riding that bike. The reason I wear this is because on the sides, it actually blocks wind, bugs, rocks, sand, dust, and all that stuff. It blocks it from the side and from the top. Not as much from the top, but mostly from the side. And I've always worn these glasses. The only challenge is this. The only challenge with these glasses is that if I go out sometimes during the daytime when it's sunny, at nighttime, I'm stuck with this. Ever since I had this, got this right here, I've been wanting to wear this more because either one of these, because they transition so I can wear them during the daytime or during the nighttime. However, they don't have the side panel to block dust and bugs and stuff like that. And trust me, you're gonna absolutely need those. So I have been searching for a while and I could not find a single video anywhere else. And then I came across this right here. Now, I am not sponsored by this company. As a matter of fact, I just so happened to buy things that were all from the same people or the same person, High Blocks. And I did not know that until I got it. This is the one that I'm most excited about. And this is it right here. It's on this Oakley Metas. Let me show you what's really cool about it. You put it on and you can see it blocks any bugs from the side, right? But what's cool is it matches the theme of my glasses, which is transparent. And because it's transparent, I can see my peripherals. Great. What about the top? Well, look at this. This looks like some weird alien stuff, right? All it is just foldable. You fold this to the side, and now that blocks the bugs from the top, or the bugs or sand. So you have side protection and top protection. And I have tried it on the Meta Ray-Bans. It also works on the Ray-Bans. So if you are just someone like me, you like to ride e-bikes or motorcycle, whatever, but you would like to use your Meta glasses because they have transition lenses and they have cameras so you can quickly capture things, but you're sick and tired of bugs and dust getting in your eye, I think this is absolutely worth it. That right there essentially is like this. I mean, I couldn't be happier, man. And this, once again, it fits the theme of my glasses. It's transparent. And now you're wondering, how do you take it off? It's super easy. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe, help me grow so I can keep making this type of content. Thank you very much. You simply fold this down and you just pop this right off. Just like that, it's off. And to put it back on, you just put it right here, just like that. And then you fold this out. I mean, it's that fast. So now what about this one, right? Well, first of all, once again, this can also work with this in the exact same fashion, but the theme would not match because it's transparent, but you can always use it if you want to see a peripheral. So here is a basic one, which also protects the sides of this. You can see it's like, I mean, it's perfectly molded, literally down to the curve. So you can put this on and protect yourself from dust and winds and stuff like that. The only downside to this one is it doesn't have the top part. which for some people it may be okay. So you have it on this side as well. I mean, this is literally perfect for someone. So if you like to go running outside or like to ride bikes, and for some reason you just don't want sand and dust in your face, you can use this. And then maybe you drive a lot and there's always this sun coming in from the side hitting your eyeballs. Well, this can also protect you from the side. But what if this is blocking too much of your peripherals? Well, guess what? I also bought this one because I thought about that as well. This is a clear one. This clear one is just like this right here, but it's clear. So once again, you have side protections now. Man, when I tell you, I've searched everywhere from Reddit to Facebook. I've been trying to find this and I could not find it anywhere, and I am so glad I finally found it on Amazon. The next one is the lights, right? So whenever you're recording, it has this light that constantly flashes, and people are often trying to figure out how to turn it off. Well, I have a way. I bought these ones right here that from Amazon. Also, I did not realize it was from the same company, but basically you take one of them and you put it on, and let me turn on, I turned off the glasses, so let me turn it back on. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit the record and show you guys how discreet it is. Okay, the glasses is recording right now. You can see the lights on the side flashing, showing that it's recording, but guess what? You're not gonna see it. You see that? Because this thing has done a very good job at blocking the lights, but leaving enough room where ambient light passes through, so you don't see the lights. Look at that. It is recording right now, and this completely matches the theme of the glasses as well. It's like almost invincible, but if you look here, you can sort of see it. You can see it a little bit, but for the most part, if someone is looking at you, they really wouldn't even know. Obviously, I'm not doing this to be some creep, I would never do that, but I don't know, it's just something about, I don't want to be like at Lowe's and someone look at me like, why is it recording? I don't know, man. It's something about having the lights that just, I don't know. But anyway, that is cool. I thought it was pretty cool that it works so well without blocking. You can see it works in this environment. It works outside. No one would know that you are recording. So anyway, those are the cool things that I have.